Jackson Williams, and I'm about to install a blow-off valve on a R33. First thing that we need to do is take off the stock blow-off valve with a 13mm socket.
Move the bolt.
Once the two bolts are out, it's as simple as taking the hose clamps and taking it out. This is the new one. It's from Turbosmart, and it's the compact series. And we're going to be unboxing it. Also comes with hose clamps, gasket, and also it's adjustable. Once the gaskets are in place, then you can tighten the bolts. You want it tight? Once the hoses are clamped back down, now it's time to start it up and see what it sounds like. Yo, thank you for watching our videos. If you love our videos, then how about you hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and maybe we'll see you in the next one.